Need to cut.
Give another egg! Kaboom! 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 Kaboom!
Ako, dito na lang ako sa OG zone. Sa OG na lang ako.
Wow! This is my OG. I say you. No! This is a you. Bye-bye! Lagay mo ko OG.
Akala na siya. Malapit ka sa akin.
Wala ko kulapit ikaw.
Sige, kayo na. Kailangan mo ng brain rot, Shin. Nasaan yung brain rot? Ah, ito.
Boom! 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 Boom!
Pinapunta kasi Shin sa zone 2.
Dami OG!
Ako na yung OG dahil.
Sige. Gusto ko yung OG. Saan galing yun? Wala pa.
Tinatry kita yung i-glitch in.
Wala ako.
Yun. O, Shin, dito ka na sa loob.
Thanks!
Pwede ka nang mag-hatch ng ano. Tapos ako kukuha ng ano.
Thank you!
Para makuha mo yung mga OG.
Hi! Hi! Wait,
Nasa zone 2 na kami.
how did you go in there?
Secret.
Yeah. I know you, bugger.
Sige, gawin mo. May donkey dito, Sino. Gusto mo ba yan?
Oo.
Hindi, OG na lang yung kukunin natin para madali.
Asa ko to? Purple.
Kasi
Wait,
kaya-
I'm gonna glitch in. Wow, kanina to.
Ang ganda ng pizza, volcanic.
Oo,
Ay,
kanina.
OG!
Listen, to.
Yes, may examine.
Sige, sa'yo na. How did you
So
get?
much OGs. Dali siya, hatch ka pa egg.
Sige, ang ganda, Sarah. How did you do it? That's unfair.
You need to quadrillion.
Yeah. You don't even have a quadrillion.
She already bought it and glitched.
How did you glitch in? Wow, may
Wow, you just
OG,
have-
oh.
Asa? Hindi yan OG, Shin.
Ay, hindi.
Secret lang yan.
So how do I glitch in?
Ano? Keep tweaking the hammer.
Yeah. Click, click, click.
I was
and
grinding
oh.
all night to get 2 quadrillion.
Yeah. More and more 1,000. My hammer is glitching in. More again.
Ano nga? Glitch in kita. Yes.
Alis! Pangit tsura, oh. Tingnan mo, tsura, oh. Hello, I told you. So you have to... How? I told
Dali, open nyo yung mga egg.
Oo, lahat. This is for you, Kitty. Hi, Kitty.
Hindi kayo makaka-open. Maka-open nyo lang yung eggs pero di nyo makukuha yung brain rot, okay?
Sige. Nakita ko yun, OG.
O kasi sasabihin, you're not in the zone 2. Hindi mo siya nabili yung zone 2.
Laki naman, ah. Ito si OG.
Ay, yun, OG!
Kunin mo na. Wow, kapalo mo ko.
Dali mo,
May skibidi toilet.
ang laman ng skibidi toilet, ano lang.
Wow, ito OG.
Ha?
A common.
Yeah. Halos lahat common.
Yeah, the eyes looks like me after I watch too many brain rots. Why can I not walk in there?
Kailangan mo ulit mag-glitch in.
Try natin
Baka na
lang.
naman, KD.
Meron akong kanina to. Oh my god. I used the hammer to really break a border. May audio.
Hindi, no, G, secret yun, Shin, eh.
Ulit. Help me, I'm Look!
Hindi, kailangan mo ulit yung method.
Ay,
Ganun ulit. Gawin open sa ulit ang egg. Yan.
Mami, yung secret.
Hindi, ano yan? Inferno.
Paano yung Inferno? Parang itsura, oh.
Ay, Katie, oh, 1x, 1x. So, kunin mo, dali.
Gusto ko ba? I can't.
Dali, kunin mo. Try mo lang.
So not unlock. It's not unlock.
Yay!
Alam, nalock ako
Alam mo ka,
Kami, alam mo ba? Alam, lock ako, oh. Lock ako.
Ah, may camera.
Ay, gusto ko yan.
Ano ka ba? Mag-glitch in ka ulit.
Paano yun?
Ano na?
Okay, daw yan. Gusto.
Ang lalagyan lang mo, ano?
Wow, napunta ko dito na. Wow! Ito.
Wag, mythic yan siya.
Aba, paano kukunin ko lahat?
Eh, kailangan mag-ipon ng hanggang sa Tokotril.
Hotel na to.
Oh, kasi wag mo daw kunin.
I almost glitched out of the map. I glitched out of the map. Mommy, there's a secret.
Oh, wait lang. Search mo na.
There's a godly.
God.
Kani man yun charger ah. Iriwa ka ko ni man ha. What is this? Oh. That's
Bumili ka ng joy.
Habon. May skibidi toilet! Give me! Sabi daw, baka kunin, oh. Tinan mo, oh. Inakunin ko siya. Oh, tinan mo. Kunin mo. Why can I not go in? So, it should place me. I thought you were buying wow, big secret! Candy and Big Boy. Oh my god, I stick O and candy. Stick O and candy.
Wala ka na.
Diba? Candy and stick O.
Wala.
Look. Without the brain what you can push out this. Or you can do this with a hammer like this. I made it!
Sino cellphone ko? XL. Tyson Joy. The Lonely Boy.
And some candy.
Gusto ko.
Whoa. I am flying. No. Mine. Okay, mine. But I'm keep falling off. Oop. I'm hitting my buttocks.
Wala bang text pa?
Ew. And my face. Ah! Ew.
Ano na ulo?
Ay, dito ako.
Balik ko dito yung sisente.
Ayoko na.
Bakit?
Hindi ko kunin eh. I got the chop 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 taho.
This is secret.
But it's the OG version.
No, it's just a job that is for the The OG is yes, ma-examine and no ma-examine.
In English, I get, yeah, my examine. Hindi, pwede tayong bake. Bake? Kanina, yung bilisan na matiis sila eh. Tapos na-jump sa, yung sa akin na friend.
Yung mga laruan madali, itabi. Saka magtitiklop. Ay, doon tayo sa kanila.
Inubad ako.
Pwede. Gagawin. Kasi pa. Naging siya. Hindi ka dyan. Hindi siya naman. Nakapunta. Hindi mo dyan.
Aray!
Shin.
Munti ka na to ah.
Oh.
Ano ba yan? Hindi umayos ng paglalakad. Ano yan?
Alam mo naman yung paa niya.
Tatamaan po ano ko.
Tingnan mo naman kasing ginadaanan mo.
Hindi matutulog. Ano nang pa?
Oh. Uy.
Ayan.
Ah.
Ano sila pa yung hindi.
Kaya hindi mo bilang sa ano, ilagay.
Ano iba nila?
Ay. Nalate na si Kid. Wala na.
Ah.
Nalate si Kid.
Jojoin ka ba?
Sige.
Wait lang, sinulit tayo.
Okay. Thank you.
Meron ka na sarili, Ashin.
Oh, yeah.
Nasa iyo na kapatid. Hindi mo magnunuya.
Mayos ng ano, bastos niya.
Hi, guys. Hi, I'm a builder. Yay! May akong bandwidth. May bandwidth ako yan naman, di ba? Di ba? Sabi ako kayo, di ba? Para kayo din. Eh, bakit dito?
Chill, maglalaro ka na lang. Maon. Oh.
Oh, gusto ko. Ay.
Ano pa daw gagawin niya sa boots? Tapos, kung sino lang yung tatawagin, siya naman pupunta. Sino yung may award?
I don't need that. I don't have.
Teacher mo. Siyempre, pagka sinabi mo, ano, kasama ka, sasama mo yung parents mo.
Hindi lang naman sa
Good. Ay, nako.
You eat my gummy.
Nakakainin yan. Bakit sa mo nilagay ang dami mo?
I put it in there.
Nandito si Kisses, ah. Paano siya mapupunta dyan? O, di kinain mo?
Kain niya.
Pipintangan mo to si Kisses. Ano?
Oo. Hoy. Kanya yan.
Oh, binigyan niya ng isa. Si ano? Oh. Binalik lang ni Gita. Chinchin yung binigay mo eh. Ako na yun. Mag-uniform na.
Hey, honey. Hey, Atanatri. I got some more band-aids. In the bridge. Now, where is the band-aid? Did you eat them?
Ako na.
Yeah.
Akin na yun na plastic.
Ow, ow, ow. Ow, ow.
Ano ha?
Uy, may zombie.
Ito yan ha?
I don't even have a rolling pin. I don't have a hammer.
Okay lang. Kasi oo pa lang. May trash.
May plastic.
May trash sa bahay.
What zombies?
Bakit ka? Okay. Ako naman. Tapo kayo. Ako mamatay.
Wait.
Ako mamatay zombie. Patay ko lang eh.
Oh.
Thank you. Yeah.
Ow! Ow, my back! Ow, my back!
Eh, gusto ko papatay lahat.
Hindi, bandage. Apat na yung bandage ko.
Ganun galing ko.
Binayin ko.
Ala! Uy, napagdang ka lahat. Ala! Ano?
Alam mo na ako. Madami ako sa mga dala.
Sige.
Ngayon, sa likod mo siya yung ano pa.
Ala, tatakot na ako.
I'll distract him.
Hindi ko lang ako. Help me.
Mas lang ilalagay ko muna pa.
No, I'll kill all the zombies.
Ala na,
Binayin mo ng bandage. Dali. Kaya yung submission ko na. Video.
Ala,
Hinaan pa.
Wait.
Yan yung meron kulay blue.
Hindi, help mo siya. Saka ko naman yan.
Galing ah.
Ano ko dito lahat?
And did you know I kill all the zombies?
Ano yan? Sorry.
And did you know I kill all the zombies without you touching it?
Nakita na ako. Makbo. Ipis. Yung pag may namatay sa atin, pwede natin i-revive. May revive stick na tayo.
Bakit?
Ano nakuha ni ate? Ay, naku po. Nabasan ako.
Ilikot lang ako.
Me too, me too. I always
Isip ka mag-ano. Ako na. Tayo.
Ilikot ko lahat ng sila.
Sana pa akong short. Hindi ka pang zombie. Here. I have more zombie for you.
Ako naubos yung lahat yung zombie.
Good.
The issue is that whenever I try to drop something, I get disposed
Paano
that.
ko lahat dami, oh?
Siyempre, yung ito ko mama.
Ma! Ma! Oh!
Lalan. Yan, ba't ka nakadun?
They didn't even eat. They didn't even eat na. Whoa, I saw one. Daddy died.
Here, huwag ka magpakamatay. Ganun yun. Kunin mo mga samba, dali.
Help mo ko! Ah! I like Natatakot na ako! I-break mo ako!
Bandid ka. Bawal tayo magsayang ngayon ng revive kit dahil isa pa lang ito.
Ngayon.
Kitty, help mo! Kustin!
Sakit.
Dami lahat! Nakunin ko lahat!
Hindi makatakot
Okay lang, okay lang! Okay lang, namamatay na lahat.
Okay, i-sell mo lahat ng ano ha. Bye.
Okay. How are you? What's your name? Cool.
Ah! That's my recitation sticker. I put it in the charger.
So no one will steal your charger?
Yeah, because it's named like that. I put the sticker for my... Oh, I already have a turret ammo.
But you don't even have a turret.
We do, but we have to save up. So we can spawn... Oh my gosh!
Punta ako sa labas, ha?
Hey, good news!
What?
I got 2 turrets.
Later, Katie, you don't have to use 2 turrets. Can you drop it?
Natalie, kanina.
Actually, build it.
Okay.
Put it outside and don't build anything else, Katie. We're going to save...
Ilagyan ko siya.
Oh.
Look, I put them in front of our restaurant.
We have to save materials so we can build a
Hala!
new...
Kitty! Can you come here? In-spin ko siya, nalalakad siya.
Oh.
Yeah, I could see the tiny little kakin.
Ayun, nakalapit sa akin. Play ko yung Squid Game ito.
Look, I'm saving up.
Try?
Okay, save some materials so we can upgrade our barrier. Okay?
And even the ammo.
Yeah.
Kitty, help!
Do you have some ammo?
Yeah, I have 1 turret ammo. But I'll give it later, okay?
Okay, to
Kitty,
the
can you
turret.
help me? She's right behind me now.
Slap him. No. Kill him.
Shane, don't go too close to the cactus guy when you turn around because you're going to get exploded.
Yeah. Just like my butt when I poop.
Also,
Zombie!
in day
Zombie!
Shane,
Zombie!
in day 20, there's going to be so much zombie.
Zombie!
Yeah, we got hit by a wave of zombies in night 15.
Okay na.
That my tablet started saying, help my.
Oh, lakas ng chainsaw. Shane, dali ko mo lahat to. Zombie. What are you singing? May ibang zombies ako dito. Hindi, baka mamaya may baril ka pala dyan, ha?
Now look at my inventory.
Wala kang baril.
Hala!
Dali, labas kayo.
Okay lang, isa lang matay.
Paano kung ako naman? Dali, 20 seconds na lang to. Okay lang yun.
Oo!
I'm risking my life. Oh my gosh, may zombie na damo.
Ala!
What happens if you go to day 5?
Namatay ko isa lang, oh.
And what happens
day 5.
And what happens if you go to day... What happens if you go to night 5?
Namatay na sila. Namatay
Night
yung zombie.
20, KD, night 20.
Night
Namatay na
20
sila.
because...
Day 20, oo. May mangyayari dun. Kaya nga namatay agad ako nung night 20. Nung na-defeat ko yung rat king. Kasi masyado madami. Kaya,
Tsaka,
Because
Ako
you
din.
forgot about me.
hindi. Mag-isa ako nun, KD. Ang dami nila. Tapos hindi siya makaano. Tapos ikaw, late ka na nakajoin.
oo, na-late ka na kasi. Kaya hindi na hinit tayo.
Hanggang day 20 lang yung kinaya ko.
What happens?
So, kanina ka pang practice ka. Tanggal.
What happens if you go? What happens if you go to day 1000?
You're going to get a badge. And you're going to complete the game and save the time.
Yeah.
And then I cannot play the game.
No. You're just going to play the game normally. Nothing will happen. You can go more than 1,000 actually.
Yeah. If you go
But
into
there's
the
no
100.
badge for it yet. Because the game is brand new.
Dapat din. Yun, namatay na ako sa tag.
Hi.
Hi.
And what happens if you go?
Here, KD, can you put this into the diner?
Okay.
This.
Ah,
This.
why do you have so many? There's a picture.
Can you put that there?
Okay.
Wow, meron 100 tayo, di ba?
Why do you have so many?
Sorry.
It's killing my circuit board.
Oh, what's inside? Oh, just a chest reward.
I found a cactus.
Day 50, I think we're going to unlock the hospital. I think.
Yeah, me too.
What
I got the
hospital?
SMG. I got the strongest.
Wow! Nakunin ko lahat yun.
You
5.
forgot. You
Ano?
forgot.
Ano? Oh yeah, I forgot. Did you put it there?
Wow, nakunin ko lahat.
I found the egg.
Oh yeah, that's later because they haven't unlocked it.
In day
Wow.
10.
Yeah, day 10. No, actually day 7. Oh, who wants a revolver?
Me!
Who wants a chainsaw?
Me!
Mamili kayo sa dalawa. Ano sa'yo? Chainsaw or ano? Gun? Mamili ka. Chainsaw. Sa'yo kay di gun.
Yeah, because I'm a pro at killing
Oh,
everybody.
ito. Ito yung sa'yo. Shin, ito yung sa'yo.
I kinda like guns.
Ito kay di ito yung sa'yo.
Haha, I got
Gun.
you.
Ayan na, blood na eh.
What the? Where are you?
Ano?
I'm gonna kill you, zombies.
I'll kill the zombies too.
Wait. Hayaan mo silang makalapit para ano.
Uy,
Malapit yung pagkukuha ng...
kayo. Ako naman.
Okay, ito naman.
Die!
Bye, Ate. You kill all them. You kill all them.
Die, zombies!
Yeah. Haha.
You turn him into mommy.
Dami nila.
Die! Get out!
Loud.
Die!
Yeah. Dami sila eh. Easy! Namatay ka lahat.
Kailangan ko ng bandage, no? Matay na ako.
Yeah.
Die!
Grabe, kinaya niyo yun.
Ako din.
Dali, kunin niyo yung mga zombie.
The one! Magaling tayo, KD!
Ang galing niyo, KD.
Ako din!
Ayan na. Oh, later. Dali, magbenta muna tayo price.
Day 6, you won.
Oh, yeah, day 6. KD. Before we go to the egg, can we pick up all of the zombie and put
Hindi na, matay
and make them into pies so we can have more money.
to buy so many amos.
Yeah, for the turret, so we don't have to struggle with our guns. Yeah, takot nga din ako.
I'm not struggling with my guns.
Because the ammo in our guns are unlimited. So we don't need to worry about our ammos getting.
Killed Owen out.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
So we just have to worry about the ammos in the turret because they are unfortunately not unlimited.
Yeah.
Such a bug. Shin, may gun din ulit dito. Sa'yo na lang to. Wait lang, mamaya. Huwag ka po.
yan?
Oo, kagaya kay KD. Kagaya kay KD.
Sige. R.I.P. who way down on the cactus body. They might have died because
Yeah. Oh, there's a person.
there was only one.
Oh.
That's a glitch.
Yeah. Maybe can you make pies so we can feed the whole town?
I know.
Because
I'll
the
make
town. Okay.
I'll make it.
You both can make it.
Who unplugged my charger?
Not me.
Not me too.
Oh, glass model.
Why did you tie this?
No, I didn't.
Me too. Are you charging?
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Why not me?
I don't know. Maybe your charger is broken.
I know. It's cool looking. And fell. I know. Let's go. Oh, I forgot my charger switch.
Yeah.
Wow, napanood ko sa new pie.
Wow, we're kind of expanding.
My tablet is lagging. My tablet is lagging.
Oh, why?
Because there's so many ingredients.
Lol.
OMG. Katie. Tama na.
Hala, nangitlog siya, te.
No, give me the prize. No, give me!
KD, we're a team here, ah. We have to create teamwork with him.
Ala, naitan na! Ala!
Nangingitlog pa rin siya.
Uy, bigay mo.
Wait lang, Shane. Nasa manokan ako, eh. Maglalak ako.
Save me too. Uy. Tinatakbo! Well, okay. Takbo ka! You turned him into something. I'm gonna still pace. Well, it's sleepover time! I am struggling. Because of the amazing lag. Turn him into zombie meat. Can we sell pie at the night?
No, in the day only.
Because all of the people are zombies?
No, people are hiding at night because ang daming zombie.
Ala, help me! Sakit! Did you... Pero revive mo ako! Sakit! Hindi ko kaya na.
Kaya niya yan, Shane.
Aray ko sakit! Katie!
Katie, I have good news. We got so much chicken.
We got so much.
Yum, so much chicken.
Can you come here?
Wait, I got some pies.
Okay.
I cook it and then I
Oh, wait, never mind. You don't have to come
I
here.
want the gun.
Oh, wait lang, Shin.
how did they know equipped into the sink where you get all the pies?
I don't know.
Like they should know equipped to the hose. I am gonna explore.
Okay. Katie, can you come to the farm and get most of the zombies?
Wow, and me.
Katie, come on.
Wait, what is this graveyard?
Nothing. Katie, can you go to the chicken thing?
What is happening? Why is the gravestone?
Okay na.
Got some materials. When will this open? When will this open?
Oh, that... It doesn't open. Sino? Meron.
I got a revolver.
Cool. But you already have a revolver. Can you get the zombies at the farm?
Did you harvest all of them?
Yeah.
How did you got so many chickens?
Well, I farmed it, so we can have so much chicken ingredients.
I kinda like chickens.
Yeah.
How we get all of them? So much. Look. So we get something. Wow, meron tayo pera oh.
Oh, dali, sell ka o marami. Kailangan mo ba ito ulit?
Oh my god! The zombie! Disappeared because we didn't get them.
Ayan, Shin.
What can you do?
Hey guys! I got to.
Waiting. Iwanan ko muna kayo dun sa diner.
Look, I got 15 chickens.
Wow. I'm going to the other two things. You can sama with me, okay?
Oh, then?
Hindi, dyan kayo sa diner para mag-protect nyo yung food kasi may rat.
May dagan. Kayo mamamatay yun.
Hindi ko kuha yung ingredients.
Sino?
Ayun dalawa, kaya nyo yan. Teamwork nyo. Tapos ako dito. sa-
Look, egg pie is my favorite Filipino dessert.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, did you know that?
Oh, no.
I just want to eat egg pie in a while.
Katie, can you protect it?
I saw a neon. Natui, I saw a neon man. It's okay.
Wait lang, Shin. Shin, nasa labas ako. Hindi ako makakapunta sa'yo eh. Yung mga
Ala, sasakit na ako lahat na namatay na.
Help me! I am trying to harvest, but someone is trying to kill me.
Sabi ko sa'yo, wow, galing ako.
Honey! Honey! Help me!
Sabi ko sa'yo, Natalie. Ba't na siya kaya eh? Hindi na help sa akin, no?
Hindi ba ito yung sa Shin doon?
Ala, dami! Aray!
Kasi ko eh, dito doon. O, dali ka
come.
Okay, tumunod.
Kasi si Katie, sabi daw will come.
7 seconds na lang yung pin Ellen. Hindi ko rin mo lahat ng dead body.
Easy.
Tumawa ako na body dito, Katie.
How did you got the cactus in the gas station?
Ulit sa akin. Ay, Katie, may brass knuckles. Dali.
Wow.
Uy, may zombie!
Asan?
Wala na.
I killed it.
Hindi ah.
Ay, may automixer na tayo. Katie, ko rin mo lahat ng zombie, please.
But the zombies are stuck in here.
You go here. You go here.
Okay, wait.
Wow, may bomb
Gonna
siya.
get-
Yung zombie.
Oh, kunin mo lahat ng zombie dyan. Pupunta na ako sa kabila, Katie, ha? Can I assign all of the zombies to you, Katie?
What?
Can I assign all of the zombies to you?
Yeah.
Dali. Tapos sa akit ka dito, Katie. Para,
Do not activate it. It was the zombies.
Okay.
Katie. Here ka, Here. Akit ka dito. Tapos, pupunta ka dito.
What happens if I get stuck in there?
I don't know. You can't get stuck. Dali, kunin mo dito lahat ng zombie, okay? And the materials also. Here.
Well, it's no equipping.
Yeah. I'll go get the, Kasi to, andito yung mga, materials. Pakuha na lang. Andito rin sa kabila, hindi ko pa nako-collect.
Why is the brass knuckle important? Why?
Because it's a meal.
But you don't even have hands.
I don't know. Logic, I guess. Do you want the first aid kit?
What?
You want the first aid kit?
No. I revived.
Here, Katie. Can you also bring this back? And also the materials here.
Oh no, I'm running out of space. I run out of space.
Just go back again. Dali, bumalik ka muna dun. Tapos kunin mo yung iba dito, okay? Para may masal tayo.
Uy, my cactus.
Ay, Katie, bumalik ka na dun. Dito na ako. Bibilis natin
Uy! The cactus they jump into the sky. The cactus went straight into the sky and then escaped the skybox.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think we cannot get the cactus anymore. I think we cannot get the cactus anymore.
Why?
Because it escaped in the skybox.
Oh.
Can we? Okay, Yippee, kill this person because
I got
he looks
giant.
like.
Dali.
Look at the zombie. The zombie.
Wait lang. Nagpapatay
Look
ako.
at the zombie.
Ano?
It's a zombie,
Yeah.
but it's a person zombie.
Really?
Yeah. Can I kill the zombie?
I
got giant too and the chicken.
So, baby, we're going to have to wait for the thing. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
We have to wait for day 11. Be careful, I might not come back there yet. I'm still collecting.
Katie, can you help me, please?
Can you help?
No, the zombies.
Then you help each other.
I got a bomb.
Dali, bomb nyo yung zombies.
Bomb. Wow, bilis.
Bomb this tank zombie.
Okay.
Why is this so big?
I don't know.
We're doing much faster than we did yesterday.
like 10 times faster? Help me.
It's only night 8 and we're already killing the far away zombies.
Oy, 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 oy. Help me!
Let's run into the outside!
Palabas
I
na.
died.
Oh my god.
I died.
Oh, wait for me there. I have a revive kit.
Yeah!
Ready.
I'm not hurt! Hey, no, bilis
Oh, Shin, don't get hurt. Isa lang yung revive kit natin. I can't revive you, boy.
Help me, I died.
Yes, I'm coming home. Coming home.
1-0! Yay!
Si KD.
Kasi nakinin yun.
Where's KD's dead body?
I'm in the diner.
Sa loob?
Yeah, in front of the door.
Eh, nakita ko yung body niya, oh. Eh, no. Malapit yung zombie. Sabi
How
daw.
did you die, KD?
Kasi
The
ang dami
zombie attacked me so much. Oh, my cactus! My cactus!
May cactus, Shin.
Sige!
Sunod? Wala.
Oo, Nino.
Shin, kunin mo na yung mga zombie. Baka magano yan. I-revive ko muna si KD. Ay, dami yung ano ni KD. KD, ba't hindi mo pa sinasal yung mga pies?
Ano, danger!
I died.
Wow.
Okay. I hope that kill.
Ilagay niyo na yung mga zombie dun sa ano, para madami tayong pie. So we can use a proper barrier for our attack.
Like more. Like so much.
Yes. So we need to stock up on
Materials.
money and materials. So we have to make as much pie as possible. Huwag kayo umano dyan. Shin! Hindi natin kailangan ng auto turret. Hello.
We need it.
No, Shin. Kailangan natin yung auto mixer. Where am I going to find another materials ulit?
I know. In here.
I don't like you, Shin.
In here.
Hindi, Shin. Nakuha na namin lahat eh. Yun na yung last eh. Tapos ginamit ko sa auto turret.
And we need to kill all of them zombies.
No, we don't have any materials na.
It's okay. I'll find them.
Wala nang mahanap dyan, Shin. Nakuha na namin lahat.
Yes,
Yes. Kaya ba't mo ginastos dyan?
There's
Kung kailangan
another
natin
one.
yung iron.
There's another one.
Tapos yung auto mixer, tapos ginastos mo dyan. Ang dami pa naman.
Oh. Patina. Patina.
Wala na.
Patina.
I need a freezer.
Eh, wala tayong enough Huwag na tayo magamit ng freezer para may masid tayong metal. Wala na tayong
I
metal.
need this.
So how do we store our ingredients?
Ba't ka pa Kailangan nga natin na metal.
Seriously, too.
I don't even like you, Shinna.
Wala na tayong pan-defense. Magastos na sa tuloy.
It's okay. We should go something a daughter.
Hindi nga, kailangan nga natin yung auto mixer para nga i-drop na lang para nag-mix siya ng auto. Ay, kasi wala.
Hanap na.
Nakuha
Para
na
men.
namin. Pwede na rin yan. We have to wait 2 days for the sewer and Shin. Pag may nakuha kami metal sa sewer, huwag mo na yun.
Mamatay na ako eh.
Wala rin tayong revive kit.
Sige, hanap ko.
Wala. Sa sewer na lang yung pupuntahan natin. Kasi nakuha na namin lahat.
Uy! Gusto ko kukuha.
Ching.
Wait, give me the ingredients so
Kasi
I help you bake the pie.
Tanda nagsira. Ako bibili. Ikaw ba?
What's my sabay?
Yun, zombie naman na.
Oh!
Depends na yung Ching. Kasi yung mga
Nagsira yan naman.
Balik, Idi. Keep building yung
Mine pie time.
Bye, time. We did it, guys.
Gumawa na kayo ng...
Yeah. There's a bomb.
Ako yung pinapatay ko. Gumagawa kong fire.
Ala, nalabas sila.
Okay na lang.
Okay, Katie. Oh my God.
Oh, here the...
Dapat ikaw kayo na namatay na ako, ah.
Hindi ka namin nalilipad. Wala na kami nilipad.
Sige. Inalipat ko pa.
Oy, 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 oy.
Oh, dali, Idi. Dali, one day.
Oh no, the pie is in the bottom of the sink.
Dali, Idi. Keep mixing more pies. You only have 3 minutes to go downstairs na. Kasi, yeah, we have to make pie as much as possible.
Wait.
I got so many pies.
Dali.
Ako kukunin yung zombie. Baka kukunin niya yung zombie, ah. Ang bilis, ah.
Oh, ano yung lahat?
Uy,
Ito
bitaw
yung
mo.
material sheet. Ano yung mga material?
Wow, neno na. Sabi ko sa'yo, may zombie. May zombie at seriously. Diba? Malapit na. Malapit na sa 20.
I'm gonna make so much money.
Okay, dali.
Okay lang, ah.
Gumawa ka pa ng pie.
Ala, gutom na sila. Bilhin natin yung gun. Bilhin
Wag.
natin.
Huwag ka na bumili ng gun, kailangan niya natin yung money para sa ilo.
Nalagay ko na
Hindi,
kasi.
hindi. Gawa ka pa ng ano, hindi, dali.
Ako.
Gawa kayo, dali.
Do you like my cooking?
Me too.
Ayun, may pie pa yata sa'yo eh.
Uy, may bomb.
Oo, dali.
Cherry. These, and strawberry.
Do you want to eat some fries?
Hmm?
Do you want to eat some fries?
Boy!
Where's the fry?
I'm gonna cook it.
Oh, may bomb.
No, 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 no. The pie.
Wow, lalagay ko to. Oh. May bomb. Ito din. Wow, sarap yun. Di ba, Natalie? Uy, waka na yung make
Keep
nyo.
on building. Keep on, making pies. Kailangan natin maraming pies.
Give me the pie.
Bilis! Paano may
Dali,
make
1
tayo?
minute na lang.
Make it. Make it so you know we will get something.
I'll make it too. Katie, hurry!
Dali, kunin mo na sa baba.
Ala! Hindi naman bastos ka.
Dali, Kitty.
Get it.
Nakuha mo lang
I
yata
can't.
lahat ng pie tapos hindi mo... Ayun nga, oh. Yan. I-bake mo lahat ng...
Why did so many pies?
Ganun talaga kapag business.
No, give me.
No!
Uy, wag na kayo magagawa. Ilagay nyo na dyan.
Put some.
Shin, ilagay mo na dito.
Oh. Put.
For... Shin, ilagay mo na for... Oh, 1 second na lang. Ayan na. Shin.
We're already out of it.
Walang bale mga turrets natin.
Boom.
Protect me. I'm going to get Amos.
Yeah! I'll help you. There's a bomb. There's a bomb. It's delicious. One.
What's exploding pie?
KD, ilan turrets ang meron sa atin?
You may count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.
Hello, sorry.
Ano, Shin? Tara.
One tiny. Sana kunin mo yung...
Who wants a pie?
Ito kinuha yun. Hala, yun na.
Aray!
Die!
Lahat yung zombie!
Ay, sa'yo ba ito, Shin?
Oo!
Ah.
Help me! Nabuta
Tara. Pinapatay ko na. Ayun na.
Ang galing!
Share my pie! Explode!
Ang galing ko.
Oo. Dali, kolektahin nyo agad.
Ay, no!
Kolektahin nyo na agad para makagawa na tayo ng pie. Gawa na tayo pie, dali.
Wow!
Ayun na.
Ako, kukunin ko yan.
Put it out ingredients.
Gulat ka, Shin, KD.
Hindi ako.
Yeah.
Kala ko in chocolate.
Dali, KD. Dali, gumawa muna tayo ng pie. Kailangan natin
Uy, may
magkaroon...
daga!
Shin, gumawa muna tayo dito.
I killed a rat.
Oh, KD. Can you please get all of the zombie? I'm going downstairs to clear all of the boss.
Lapit na.
Oh. Shin, dali. Kuha ka sa taas, dali. Shin. Ay, sa labas. Anong taas? Nandito ako sa loob. Huwag kayo sumunod.
Sige. Pin mo yun lang.
Tinetesting ko lang yung ano. Ako, malalakas yung mga rats. KD, hindi gagana yung revolver mo. Kailangan natin bumili doon ng much better na...
Auto turret like a band's.
No, we need like a strong gun. Hindi siya auto turret kasi hindi natin yung madadala sa baba.
Hindi, bakit sa baba ka?
KD, don't go downstairs kasi malakas nga yung rats.
Oo, lakas!
Dali, kolekta muna tayo zombies. Tapos gawa muna tayo pies para makababa tayo agad.
How did you got the radioactive?
Well, I killed the rat.
The rat king?
Not yet. The rat king has 200 health.
Look.
Okay. So we need to buy...
Why did they not do rich instead? Why?
I don't know.
Wow! Nakita ko to! Sa door.
Okay.
Lapit na eh.
Dali.
Ito lang.
Who whipped this tropical banana pie?
Not me.
Dali.
You build it.
No, you cook it.
Yun. Ay, hindi.
Nibuild ko yun ito sa bahay. Wow! Ang dami oh! Ang dami oh!
Oh, sino ito yung gamitin mong pang build mo sa bahay?
Bro, the rat pie made everybody
Katie,
green.
follow me. How much money do you have?
1,000.
12391.
Bumili kayo ng lantern. Dali, kailangan natin lantern.
How much?
Only 75 and we need 2 bandages each.
1,600 lang oh. 1,600 lang oh.
I'm gonna buy some bandages.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Because,
Ako may make
because if someone gets so hot, they could get some.
Yeah.
Look, I got 6 bandage.
Dali, tara.
Wait, it still get 3 more. So there's 9. So there's 9. What happens to Shin? What happened to Shin?
Gamit yung cellphone. Dali, keep on making pies. Dali, we're going downstairs na. Kitty, you didn't make pies.
Wait, you forgot.
O, tara, baba na tayo, Kitty. Kitty, let's go downstairs.
You forgot.
It's okay, Kitty, let's go.
You forgot
Can
the
you show me your
ammo.
gun?
Yes, I only got 2 revolvers.
No, you have to upgrade your gun. Come on, let's go. So we can go downstairs. You need the XO rifle.
The XO?
Yeah, XO. Dali, dali.
I want to buy this.
No, we're only going to... I said to make pies, you didn't. So,
Naglalaro ako kayo eh. Cellphone ko eh. Lobat eh.
You have to reconnect.
ay, hindi kaya ito makaka-join siya. Kasi yung device. Dali, Kitty, let's go downstairs na.
There's a zombie!
Kitty!
We got so many Shinshin items.
Yeah.
Hey, that's nice. That's so funny, guys.
Woo! Thank you so much.
Oh.
Ayun na.
Oo! Kaya sabihin ako na lang.
Oh, sige.
Dito na ako. Lapit na
I
ako.
got an XO wipe.
Ayan na.
Dali, Kitty, let's go downstairs. Dali.
Uy, nasan yung gun ko?
Wala. Nag-despawn. Use your rifle, Kitty.
Wala ako yung gun.
Rifle!
Nasaan yung gun ko? Kidi, nasaan yung gun ko? Kidi, nasaan yung gun ko?
I got you.
Thank you, Katie. So, give me, Katie. Pini mo ko. Ala, nakunin yung daga, oh.
Ang laki na.
Nakunin yung daga. Ayan, kita ko.
How? Oh no! Someone is attacking me.
Dali, gamitin mo yung rifle mo.
Help me.
But how do I vacuum the body?
Help me.
You don't have to vacuum the body.
Ako kunin niyo yung daga. Katie, kill mo yun.
Kill mo
May
yan,
gun
Katie.
ka.
Help me!
Sabi ko, kill mo
Kitty,
siya.
huwag ka muna kasi magganyan. Magpapatay muna tayo ng rats. Paano ka makakapunta dito kapag You have to kill the rats.
Oo, may gun ka eh.
May gun ka kasi kaya nga kita pinapa-upgrade ng gun.
Bilisan niya.
But why?
Ako to, oh.
Patayin niyo din yung daga. Ako nga kukuha sa likod.
This is
This is your gun. Wow! Kikita ko na.
Air battery.
It's too dark.
Hindi. Kaya nga may ano eh. Kaya nga bumili tayong lantern eh.
But you stole my lantern.
Hindi Hindi yun. KD, wag mo na kayo pumunta dyan, KD. Iiwanan ko kayo.
Wait na ako, sabi ko, hindi daga.
Sige, tara na. Let's go na ba? Okay.
Yes. Get the materials. I'll get the bodies. I'll get the bodies and kill some rats. Tsaka daga, nakunin ko yung daga. It's been 1 hour, 11 minutes and
Yeah.
and 40 seconds. Wait niyo ako.
Ilalagay ko lang yung car battery.
Wait niyo ako, late na ako.
Iwan ko kayo dyan sa baba. Kita ako. Natatakot ako eh.
Hindi ako takot eh.
Joke lang. Ayun na, papunta na. May lantern ako, dali.
Sige. Hindi ka takot eh. Ako hindi takot
KD, ikaw maghawak na ito, toaster, ng mga materials.
Okay, but you need to kill some rats. KD, lay ka na si Natalie.
Ito pa, may materials pa dito, KD. Ito materials pa.
Why are they floating?
I don't know. Ayun na, pupunta na tayong boss battle. Mag-ingat kayo, ha.
Okay.
Shin, ito, may...
gun.
Ito, gun, oh. Gun. Dali.
Exo gun!
Jump!
King Biggie Cheese. Jump! Ow.
Wala, ako yung inaano na ito.
Jump! Not kill! Kill!
Dali! Yung king. Ingat, ingat, Shin.
They didn't kill me. Yeah, me too.
Dali. Dali, nito natin siya mapatay. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, masakit.
Wait lang. I am more surprised than
Ayun na,
whatever.
Shin.
King Bee Cheese.
Ayan na ulit.
You're going down, Big Cheese.
Yun na, ulit na.
The only safe zone is this.
Hindi. Mamamatay ka rin yan. Keep aiming it on the rat.
No, keep aiming on King.
Keep aiming on the King Biggie Cheese.
Yeah, that's what I'm called. How did she do that? I'm almost dead.
Oh no!
I'm almost dead too.
I died.
Well, I'm sorry for your loss.
Wala ka, patay ka.
We have to kill it.
Oh no!
Oh no, wait, I died. I died. Let's do it again.
No, I'm already tired.
Yeah, me too. It's been 1 hour.
It's been 1 hour since I've been recording.
Let's play break an egg.
Okay.
No, we already played so many of that.
What about...
Can we move on to another game?
Please, I want.
Dali, tama na, pahinga na. Yun lang yan. Pahinga na siya. Pahingan na.
Yeah, good night, guys.
Dali. Later na ulit maglaro.
I'm gonna paint out.
Mamaya na maglaro na tablet.
Pause.